Hello everyone, I'm Ike and I'd love to welcome you to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to use GitHub. The reason for this is so you guys can actively contribute in our projects in the series we do. As you know, I usually update or upload project files on GitHub. Now, GitHub is such an interactive environment wherein you can easily create an account and then manage your own account. You can make changes and then send in pull requests of your changes, and then we can always integrate it into the overall system in the master branch. Alright, in order to create an account, what you need to do is simply in the GitHub homepage, just fill in this form right here, supply a username, an email address and a password, then you sign up. Alright, once you've created your account, the other thing that you need to do is to Google GitHub desktop and then download the desktop application for GitHub right here. So I'm gonna log into my personal GitHub account from a different browser. So browse to the www.github.com and click on sign in and then supply my email address. Supply my password. Sign in. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to navigate to the Ike Source GitHub page. Alright, ensuring that I'm still logged in, what I'm going to do is to first of all follow this page. Then I'm going to select the SPMS repository. Okay, I'll make sure I watch the page, watching star, and I'll fork this. It's good. Alright, here I'm going to click on the branch button and then I'm going to type a name for the new branch which I'm gonna create. I'll call this branch Ike-SPMS and I'll click on this create right here. Now this is my local branch. Whatever change I make is within this branch. I can easily make changes to this branch and then send in a pull request. What I'm going to do is to open this file up. I'm going to click on this edit file button or icon, and once that is done, I'll scroll down please to this point where I have my select inputs element. I'm going to change this to select an access level just for the sake of illustration, and then I'm going to commit changes. You could go ahead to add an optional description to the change you made, so I'll just type in select default text change and then commit directly to this branch which we've created. So commit changes. Alright, good. Now that the changes have been committed, I'm gonna create a pull request by clicking this right here. Create pull request. Alright, now that I'm comparing the master copy to this branch copy right here, this is what we are getting back. One commit has been made to this copy, one file changed, 0 commit comments, no comments, contributor 1. Alright, so you can just go ahead and create the pull request. Alright, the pull requests have been created. So the next time I come and log into Ike Source, let me just refresh this page. It's like it's updated already. There is something here, but let the page refresh. There's a notification right here. Okay, I'm gonna check out to see what notification we have. I'm seeing here that there's an update on iSource SPMS. That was a mouthful. So it's showing me that this user Ike updated the file. Alright, nice. So clicking on the message, it expands to this. I get the description which Ike gave, and then I am presented with this button to match pull request. That's if I'm satisfied with the changes made. But first of all, I can click on commit and see that there is just one commit from Ike right here, and then I can check out the file changed, and then I see what was changed. On line 64, I see that member has been changed to, and so that's what Ike did. On line 73, I'm not sure what happened here. No new line at the end of line. A new line was created. Fine by me, no problem. It's not a problem at all. So now that I'm satisfied with the changes made, I can come back here and merge pull request. So pull request number 1 for Ike. Alright, if I want to add any text to it, I can do that, but I'm satisfied with the text that Ike sent in, so I'm going to confirm merge. And it's all done. Isn't that a fun process? I would want all of you guys to get on GitHub and let's collaborate, let's work together. As I upload this project, I want to see you guys contributing actively. So this is basically everything I'm requiring of you guys, and I believe you are equal to the task. Alright, hope to start seeing your contributions and pull requests on GitHub. Have fun.